What's up, guys? We got a walk around video of this iconic toy hauler. Power tongue jack, integrated frame, battery disconnect switch is right there. Got your 4000 evap Cummins Onan generator on board. Slide out on the back side. Black iconic alloy wheels to go with it. Your fueling station for your toy hauler. Overhang with lighting on the back deck there, spring assisted. Big power awning. Getting really nice wheels on that. It's a 2715 SF Attitude. Go inside here. See the furniture's in great condition. Dual tables in the back. The bed up top. Nice cabinetry. Another table there. All your tie down points are intact. Floor is solid. Big sink, stainless steel. Full size fridge. There's the bathroom here. You got your neo angle shower. Kick flush toilet. Cabinet space there. All the walls solid. In the bedroom here, king bed. Nice cabinetry all the way around. Just a solid unit. You got your shoulder controller working properly. It's a super solid unit, ready to hit the road for somebody.